Hello friends, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Welcome to my YouTube channel English-Vinglish. Friends, I'm here with my vocabulary session Daily Dose. So let's begin with the very first word of the day. The first word of the day is prevalent. It is pronounced as prevalent and it means widespread, preferred, superior in frequency or dominant. And the sentence is infant deaths were especially prevalent among the poor, among the very poor. The next word is absolve. It is pronounced as absolve and it means to set free, release or discharge from obligations, debts or responsibilities. The sentence is the priests can absolve people of their sins. That means they can release, they can set people free of their sins. Next word is prevail. It means to be superior in strength, dominance, influence or frequency, or to have or gain the advantage over others, to have the upper hand or to outnumber others. And the second meaning of this word is to be current, widespread or predominant. It is pronounced as prevail and the very first sentence in connection with the first meaning is red color prevails in the Canadian flag. And the second one is to be current, widespread or predominant and the sentence is in his day and age such practices prevailed all over Europe. The next word is spectacular, spectacular. It means amazing or worth of special notice. The sentences are, it really is as spectacular as it described. And the second one is, I was attracted by the spectacular display of fireworks. The last word of the day is reprimand. It is pronounced as reprimand. It means a severe, formal or official reproof, which means to criticize or rebuke. Reprehension, that means the act or an expression of criticism or condemnation, that means to blame or rebuke, a harsh criticism. And criticism here means critical judgment. It can be private or public. The sentences are, the first one is, did the policeman reprimand the old man? And the second sentence is the employee in question who was responsible for the error has been given a severe reprimand along with a written warning. So friends, hope you have liked this attempt and if you find this video worthy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.